I love you, my baby. Good morning, everyone. Today is Alas's mama's birthday. Say happy birthday, Mama Nina. Say happy birthday. Na happy birthday, Mama Nina. Oh yes, where's your mama? Happy birthday, Mama Nina. I think sleep pa yung mama, guys. Kay gikan pa work. His mama has another work. Thank God. Nanay work yung mama. No? No? Say happy birthday. Show them your ambulance. Show them your ambulance car. Wow. What's the sound of the ambulance? Be, tell them what's the sound of the ambulance, be. Wee, wee. Make up. What's the sound? Sige na. No, bayo. No, bayo. No, bayo. No, bayo. Show them what's the sound of the ambulance, be. Tell them. Meow, 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 meow. Say happy birthday, Mama Nia. Say happy birthday, Mama. Call Mama. Call Mama, di. Mama. Call Mama, dali. Call Mama, dali. Oh, happy birthday, Mama Nia. Sige na. Oh, flying kiss lang, Mama Nia, bi. Flying kiss, Mama Nia. Sige na. Kaya jujugong tingog. Hurot. Hugton ko ni, guys. Oh, hugton ko ni. Nibig na siya, guys, sa nido. Grabe nido, ha? Nido. Beke naman. No? Ya, muit naman gud among bibi. No? Muit naman gud ni among baby boy, no? O, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Kay birthday na ni Mama Ninya. Say, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ito ka, Mama Ninya. O, bye-bye sa, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Flying kiss sa mga tao. Sige na. Flying kiss. Dali. Dali. May birthday, Mama Ninya. Dali, dali.
A few moments later.
Where's the birthday girl? Oh, Ilis. Oh, di na palita, Choy.
Busay.
Kalayo ba, oy? Oh, greetings sa imong wife, be. Sige na yun.
Yan na lang.
Hala, oy, kalain. Sige na.
Para mo doon ang ay padungog sa ubay.
O, ikaw na lang. Greetings sa imong manghod.
Happy birthday! Mas kitang bukan. Finding iso pag-usap.
Pariya na mong naong alas do. Pariya na mong simod. Imo Inday, what will you say to all your greeters?
Thank you so much.
Wish lang ginako no. Kita na gina iso pag-usap.
So, kaon na dito. So, here's our simple salo-salo lang, guys. Hindi kami bibili ng cake because hindi pa open ang Cardinal when Kuya and Butchoy left. So, ayan. Bumaba na kami lahat. Ayan si Alas. Our Baba. Ito namang si Butchoy, guys. Ayaw doon yung mag-greet, isali sa video. Kakainis naman tong mukong na to. Birthday greetings lang naman yung hinihingi ko. Napakamahiyain talaga. Yan yung big bro na next week darating na yung kanyang asawa from the States. Ayan. So, simple lang, guys. It's just, nag-spaghetti si Daddy this early in the morning. Ang sarap. Grabe. We love it talaga. As in, super, super love it. And ayan.
Call Mama, Ma.
Yan lang yung ni Alas.
Ma.
Nagkakado na naman sa mama niya. Happy birthday again, Inday.